Why social media boundaries matter.
Social media connects us, but endless scrolling can lead to stress and distraction. Setting boundaries isn't about quitting, it's about protecting your well-being. Mindfully creating limits helps you stay in control, reduce anxiety, and make more time for what matters to you.
Notice your social media habits.
Start by observing how you use social media. Pay attention to when, why, and how often you reach for your phone. Are you bored, stressed, or avoiding something? Becoming aware of your triggers is the first step toward making mindful changes.
Set clear intentions and limits.
Decide what you want from social media. Is it connection, information, or entertainment? Set specific times for checking your feeds and stick to time limits. Try turning off notifications and set boundaries for using devices during meals or before bed.
Practice mindful pausing.
When you feel the urge to scroll, and take a deep breath. Notice why you want to check social media. Ask yourself if this moment calls for it, or if you could do something else instead. This simple mindfulness technique creates space for healthier choices.
Reflect and adjust your boundaries.
Check in with yourself regularly. Reflect on how your boundaries are working. Are you feeling more relaxed or still overwhelmed? Adjust your approach as needed. Mindfulness is an ongoing practice, and finding the balance that works for you takes time and patience.